Good day, everybody. The theme of the masterclass: methods used in updated curriculum content lessons. The goal: facilitate the transformation of English teachers in the context of updating the content of education. Introduce and apply effective teaching methods in the updated educational program. Features of the model: 21st century skills. They are critical thinking, independent learning, creating and designing, collaboration, practical skills, information handling, inquiry, problem solving. The peculiarity of this model lies in aiming at preparing students for life in the 21st century. Mastery of language skills, thematic approaches and combined strategies, meaningful repetition of key elements. They are listening, speaking, writing, and reading. During the masterclass, young teachers were introduced and discussed the most effective ways are used in the classroom.
Good day! Today was held the webinar on the theme Methods used in updated curriculum content lessons. The organizer of the webinar is an English teacher, Abžapparova. This webinar was useful for me to organize lessons. I liked the method twins. I think this method improves memory and speaking skills of students. I will use this method in the future on my lessons. Thank you very much.
First of all, I want to express my gratitude to Абжаппарова Б for such masterclass, and I'm very positive that we will have benefited a lot by pursuing this lesson. Especially I like the method of I am the president, devoted to develop students' writing skills, and I find it like an association technique which is aimed at gaining students' understanding and expression skills, as well as developing their critical thinking skills. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for sharing. There were so many useful, unusual for me methods. I think they will help us to make our lessons interesting and easy to understand.
I like the masterclass of teacher Bibaisha, and I want to say that the students in the 21st century learn in a global classroom, and it's not necessary within four walls. They are more inclined to find information by accessing the internet through telephones and computers, or chatting with friends on a social networking site. Similarly, many tutors are monitoring and issuing assignments via virtual classrooms.